Are you tired of your phone looking the same way every day? Let me show you a fun, quick way to give your phone a fresh new look, just like changing your clothes. And hey, even if you don't use a Samsung, don't scroll. I'll show you how this works across all phones. Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, iPhone. Stay with me. Your phone's makeover is just a few taps away. So let's dive in. Let's start with Samsung Galaxy S22. I'll point out the differences for other devices along the way. So is this step now is same on step 1 is the same on Samsung and OnePlus, and it's slightly different on Tecno, Infinix, Pixel, and iPhone. So first, you tap and hold any empty space on your home screen. So this is my home screen. Tap on any empty space like this, and you will see a menu pop up. You will see a menu pop up. Okay. On Samsung and OnePlus, tap wallpaper. On Samsung and OnePlus, tap wallpaper or theme. Let's go wallpapers. So on Tecno or Infinix, it's usually called desktop settings or wallpaper. So if you're on a Pixel, you will tap wallpaper and style. For iPhone users, long press the lock screen itself and tap customize. Okay, so step 2, this is same on all Androids and it's slightly different on iPhone. You tap on change wallpaper. Here you can choose from system wallpapers, right, or live wallpaper, or you can, or from your gallery, or use your own gallery photos, right? If do you want a personal touch, choose a photo of your loved ones, or maybe your brand or something motivational. For iPhone users, tap add new wallpaper and select from options like photo shuffle, weather, or emoji. Step 3, this step 3 is only for Android phones only. So Samsung, Tecno, all of that. It's not available on iPhone or Pixel, or it's limited. Okay, so if you're on Samsung, you scroll down. Okay, you go back to this screen, this, okay, and you scroll down and tap on theme. Okay, Samsung Galaxy theme has wallpapers, icons, and always on display packs. Okay, on Tecno and Infinix, you go to high theme or X theme. It might be part of the launcher app. OnePlus users can tweak UI with some customization and under settings and then personalization. iPhone doesn't offer full theme, but you can use focus modes with different wallpapers. So this is the theme setting. You can choose any theme here. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, or you can choose, this is always on display. So you can customize your always on display. These are the featured one, the top ones. Some of them are paid, you need to pay for them. Okay, so once you make your selection, once you found the wallpaper or theme you like, then you can go and apply. You just tap download. If you just, you can download or and apply, and that's it. In seconds, um your phone excuse me, your phone will feel brand new, and all you did was change a look. So step 5, this is different wallpaper for, you can have different wallpaper for lock screen and home screen. So if I go back to here, right, not here, let's do this. Okay, yeah, if I go here, right, if I go here, this is for lock screen, this is for home screen. Just choose the option when you apply. So if I select the lock screen, right, I can customize it. Choose the option. Okay, all right, so I can customize here. I can change this if I want to. I can change this to this instead of it looking like, I want it to look like this, so I can change it to that. I can change it to this. This is cool. All right, a lot of things you can do, customization you can do here. Okay, and when you done, you hit done. All right. So changing your wallpaper and theme isn't just about it looks, it's about mood, focus, even productivity. Set a calming lock screen for mornings. Use a bold one to stay energized. If you're running a business or a brand, using a branded wallpapers can even make your phone part of your professional identity. Okay? So now that your phone has had a little makeover, show it off. Like this video, share it with your friends who needs a phone glow. They need a phone glow up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to follow me on Facebook, like this, comment for more easy, practical phone tips.